It's almost buttery. It's
Yeah.
just a really comfortable leather.
That's such a heavy pull-up.
Yeah, look at that pull-up.
I love that you pinch it and it just stays.
Yeah. It'll be interesting to see how this looks when it's lasted, for sure.
There'll be a lot of variation from the toe to the heel.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, awesome. This will make a great boot. Okay, we got brown Shackleton here. Very brown.
Not quite as
Not
exciting.
quite the pull-up, not as exciting, but this will be like a staple color. It's got a little red to it, which is kind of interesting.
Such a clean leather.
Yeah, it's got some finish for sure.
Yeah.
But this is basically a waterproof CXL, so that makes some sense. So Shackleton greener Pastures here. Wow.
Yeah. This is going to be the winner right here.
Well, we'll see how green it stays. I mean, I know it'll be green, but it's going to lighten quite a bit.
Yeah.
But really gorgeous.
Yeah. Beautiful.
Really gorgeous.
I love the different tones throughout the whole thing.
Yeah.
It reminds me of like fruit roll-up almost.
Yeah.
Just the feel and the coloration of it. It's like waxy and soft and pliable.
Kind of a weird apple, but yeah. Yeah. Now it's beautiful. My name is Shiler Mao. I've got Lucas Grassberger here. I wanted to show you some of our new leathers that we'll be launching here this week. So we've got the Cognac Shackleton. I also wanted to compare kind of the pull-up, right? So this leather is a little interesting. It's waterproof, which is a great benefit.
Yeah,
it's
absolutely.
kind of our first waterproof heritage leather, I would say. It's also a little less, a little more supple than the CXL. Beautifully soft. It's almost buttery. This is a really comfortable leather. It's probably not going to have quite as much pull-up as CXL, but it will definitely have some. You can see, right? So here's kind of a comparison. You see that it does pull up pretty neatly on the counter there. But yeah, again, this is the cognac. I think this is a really pretty leather.
The cognac's beautiful. I think this is gonna be a really popular one. I think people are gonna love this leather. Really nice light brown color to it.
Yeah, and so even more dramatic here on the pull-up with this is the greener Pastures. I don't normally like green.
No.
But I really like this green.
Yeah, I am not a fan of colorful. I stick to browns and blacks, but this greener Pastures is definitely swaying me a bit.
This is a really pretty color.
Yeah, yeah.
But
especially with that honey vibram sole, it looks great.
This is kind of how it started out, and then ended up with this nice look here, and I think it's going to age in patina really well.
Absolutely.
Kind of a bread and butter here is the brown.
Bit more subtle, not as much pull up to it.
Yep.
I mean, it's a little bit lighter than the.
It's got a little more red to it, I would say, than maybe compared to like a brown CXL. But a really beautiful brown, and for those of us who are maybe a little less adventurous, I think this is a great option.
Yeah, yeah, not a whole lot of difference there, but yeah, it's a beautiful option there. Awesome.
Yeah, so these will be coming out on Friday.
Yeah.
Friday of the first week of March here, and we're super excited.
Yeah.
Really getting all in on these leathers. I think you'll kind of one of the first really waterproof, rough and tough heritage boots that'll be out there. Obviously, you'll be able to get them, and we'll be launching a new boot configuration as well.
Yeah.
So 7-inch height, kind of an adventure boot.
Yeah, kind of go along with the feel of this leather, a heritage leather, but water resistant. You can wear it in all elements. The boot will kind of mimic that a little bit. Something that looks a little bit nicer, but don't have to worry about rain and snow and all that.
I thought it turned out really well.
Yeah.
So for those of you who've been looking for a 7-inch boot, now we've got you covered. And I do believe we'll probably have the most extensive Shackleton offerings. It's pretty new leather. So yeah, look forward to seeing if you guys like it. And thanks for listening. Really appreciate it.
Thanks.